Hello everyone, this is Nitiksha Rawat, class 12th student at Shri Guru Nanak Public School, Basai Ramnagar, and this is my presentation on Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India. Self-Reliant India believes in the concept of Vasuvidhya Kutumbakam. Self-Reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat doesn't mean boycotting foreign goods but ending India's dependence on other countries and moving toward development and progress. India's identity in the whole world, our identity is to be self-sufficient. Being self-reliant is the dream of every individual, society, and nation. Our former minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, has said a nation's strength ultimately consists in what it can do on its own and not in what it can borrow from others. Human process is possible only by self-sufficiency. Only a self-reliant nation can make its nation paramount. Ever since the attainment of independence, the dream of self-sufficiency began to grow in India's heart. Gandhiji always said that you should adopt indigenous goods completely. Use as much of your country's resources and raw materials as possible. They themselves use fully indigenous items. This was the first step towards the self-reliant India. But sadly, for 70 years of independence, this first step did not turn into a second step. But in the crisis of arising out of the corona epidemic, the country understood the meaning of self-sufficiency after lack of food grains and other essential. From then onwards, the dream of self-sufficiency began to grow in the heart of India. When coronavirus was spreading its wings all over the world very fast, at that time, no country was able to help the country even after wanting it. There was a huge shortage of medicines in our country. At that time, India also had to go through many medical related problems. But it is said that necessity is the mother of invention, and we just prove it. India did not give up and immediately began mass production of some items such as PPE kit, ventilators, sanitizers, and KN95 masks in its own country. To fulfill our needs, our step moved towards the self-reliant India. After the Doklam Dispute, India banned the import of Chinese goods completely. Goods imported from China were available at very low prices, but after the ban was imposed, goods from China stopped coming to India. Then India had to get goods from other countries, which was quite expensive. India strongly felt the need to be self-reliant. Only May 12, 2020, in an address to the nation, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, spoke of making India completely self-reliant and with the slogan Local for Vocal. He called upon the people of the country to build a self-reliant India. Along with this, he announced an economic package of 20 lakh crore for the launch of the country's total gross domestic product (GDP). The Prime Minister said that India should see the COVID-19 pandemic crisis as an opportunity and focus five fundamental pillars of economy: technology, infrastructure, vibrant demography, and demand to create a self-reliant India. Thus, the steps taken by the government will not only improve the economic and social capacity of India but will also strengthen India's position on its own. God help those who help themselves. This statement has inspired not only India but everyone to become self-reliant on their own level. India's self-reliance will benefit the entire country and every citizen of the country. The first advantage will be that we will not have to depend on other countries for the things we need. Reduction in imports will save foreign exchange. We will also earn more and more foreign exchange by exporting excess commodities. Only self-reliance motives man or nation to be able to fight any difficulties and be confident, which ensures the direction of positive progress. In conclusion, self-sufficiency (Atmanirbharta) will not only bring development in every region of the country but will also prove to be milestone in ending India's dependence on other countries by solving problems like poverty, starvation and unemployment. Self-reliance is the only road to true freedom, and being one's own person is its ultimate reward. Thank you.